How to run profitable YouTube channels and make 7 figures without having to show your face or becoming a traditional YouTuber. Every single day, globally people are literally watching 1 billion hours or more of YouTube videos. YouTube is now considered as half the internet. Every single month, there are 1.9 billion users or more logging into YouTube platform. And what's really amazing is, every single minute, 500 hours or more of videos being uploaded to YouTube. That's insane volume of videos being uploaded every single minute of the day. Just do the maths yourself on this figure based on 1 hour, 12 hours or 24 hours. This figure is so huge and unimaginable. With this immense popularity on this platform, YouTube has been transformed from an entertainment channel to a highly powerful monetization tool for both personal brands and businesses. In the past, everybody is focusing on Facebook and Instagram and neglecting YouTube platform. Today, people started to diversify to YouTube. In 2021, data on global digital video viewership revealed that in 2020 there were over 3 billion internet users of any age who watched streaming or downloaded video via any device at least once per month. This figure is projected to increase annually and reach nearly 3.5 billion by the year 2023. In 2022, Sanvine's Global Internet Phenomena report reinforced an ongoing trend. Data usage from video sites increased by 24% year over year, and video now accounts for 65% of all internet traffic. According to Business Insider, video is taking over. People and businesses who still don't jump on this boat and get involved in video right now, will soon be left behind. YouTube is the second most visited website after Google and reaches more 18 to 49-year-old. According to 78% of studies, YouTube delivers a higher return on investment, ROI, than TV commercials. A search on Google shows the top 10 highest paid YouTubers of 2021, according to Forbes estimates. Mr. Beast earns $54 million. Jake Paul earns $45 million. Markiplier earns $38 million. Red and Link earns $30 million. Unspeakable earns $28.5 million. Like Nastia, only 8 years old, earns $28 million. Ryan Kaji, only 11 years old, earns $27 million. Dude Perfect earns $20 million. For those who are looking for ways to earn money online, YouTube will be a great choice for you to get started. Learn how you can capitalize on YouTube platform and dominate this $4 billion platform. Click on the link below to get your exclusive free YouTube training. You will learn how to run profitable YouTube channels and make 7 figures without having to show your face or becoming a traditional YouTuber. Even without any experience, technical skill, or a huge upfront investment. In this exclusive free YouTube training, you will learn 1. The new way of going about YouTube that doesn't require you to record videos. 2. How to choose a niche and generate tons of videos quickly. 3. How to take full advantage of the YouTube algorithm and grow super quickly. In this live exclusive free training, you'll be discovering how this 19-year-old Matt runs 9 different YouTube channels and make $30,000 a month from them. He's gotten over 300 million views across all his different channels and has received the gold play button for reaching 1 million subscribers on his top channel and multiple silver play buttons for hitting 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels. Click on the link below to reserve your seat and get your exclusive free YouTube training now. You will learn how to run profitable YouTube channels and make 7 figures without having to show your face or becoming a traditional YouTuber. Even without any experience, technical skill, or a huge upfront investment. See you in the exclusive free YouTube training.